Well, good morning, Edward. Everybody's just finished their breakfast. Here we have little Jacob and Jasper. Hi, Jasper. Let's be Jasper. And we have Bella in the middle and Emmett to the left. And who's that baby? That's little Rosalie. That's little Rosalie kitten there. And the reason why I'm standing to take this video is because if I sit down, they'll be all over me, and then I won't really be able to get a picture of them. Here's little Alice. There's Mama in the cave. Hi, Mama. Hi, Glinda. Hello, Alice. Hello, Allison. And who do we have here? We have Jacob. And Jacob's playing with Jasper. Jacob, are you playing with your brother? Oops. Hiya, Jacob. He's a good boy. And so is Edward. Edward's a good boy, too. So you have to give everybody a compliment. Just like children. Yes. And that's little Alice. Hi, little Alice kitty. Hi, little Alice kitty. Hi, Jaspers and Jacob. And Glinda. Glinda's talking to her children. Huh, Glinda? Are you telling them what to do? What, Mr. Jaspers? Mr. Purrs. Yes. And Emmett. Hi, Emmett. Hi, Emmett. Trying to get people to look up. Jacob? Oh, that's Bella. Is that Bella? Yeah, that's Bella. Oh, little Rosalie just climbed up me. Or is that Alice? Let's see. Nope, that's Alice that climbed up me. The girls look so much alike. Yes, Mr. Jasper. Hiya, Bella. Hiya, Bella kitten. Hiya, Bella kitten. Hiya, Bella kitten. You see, everybody's gathered around me now, so it makes taking a video of them quite a challenge. Yes. Yes, it is a challenge. I think I'm going to have to stand back up. I was trying to get some close-up shots, but we're not cooperating. Hi, Edward. Hey, Mr. Edward. He's a good boy. Okay, so we're going to stand back up. Hiya, Bella. Bella kitty. Emmett, are you grooming yourself so you look beautiful? Is Emmett grooming himself? Hey, Emmett. Hi, Emmett. Hi, Bella. And I think that's Jacob at the food bowl now. I think that's Mr. Jacob. Well, these guys will be 10 weeks old next week. That's hard to imagine. Wow, 10 weeks old already. It's interesting to go back and watch the earlier videos of them when they were smaller. It's just amazing the changes in the growth. Right, Ems? Right, Emmys? Emmys is a good boy. Yes, he is. Right, Glinda? Your babies are growing up. They're growing up, Glinda. She's such a good mommy. She's such a good mommy. She loves her babies. Okay, well, we're up to 4 minutes on this video, so we're going to cut it here so that the file is not too large.